It's flu season, everyone, and everybody is coughing and sneezing, blowing their nose. So I get asked this question a lot. Do I still need to use the CPAP machine if I'm feeling congested? My nose is stuffed up. Can I skip a couple days? I mean, you can always skip days, but you're not going to get quality sleep. Your sleep is not going to get better. The answer to that question, of course you do. Yes, use the machine. Even if you're sick, you're still going to have sleep apnea. Sleep apneas go away, especially if you're sick. My name is Harlan. I'm a respiratory therapist, a sleep specialist in a sleep clinic. So I also help thousands of patients. And I get it. Well, your nose is all stuffed up. How can you get air into your nose? The thing I want to tell you to do is make sure to use the humidifier. I know in previous videos, I tell a lot of my patients that I don't personally use the humidifier, but that's when I'm not sick. But when I am sick, like right now, I definitely use the humidifier because it actually helps soothe your nasal passages. The warm air, it really makes a big difference. There are times when I try to not use the humidifier when I do have this issue, and that cold air, it does irritate my nose. Hey, you can try it. If it works for you, then great. But from my experience, the humidifier, this is where the humidifier does come through. And what I do, I use the Dreamwear. And when I first start off the machine, your nose is stuffed up. So you kind of have to work it in. Do what I'm doing right now. It's almost like meditating, but you're pulling in that air. And then to blow it out through your nose and in through your nose and out through your nose. And if you do need to take a break, because I don't want you to pass out, but just keep doing that, and eventually that pressure from the machine will push through, and you can breathe in and out through your nose. During that process, you might even fall asleep because you're concentrating on your breathing, and this helps tremendously. I just started using the AB filter because I wanted to try it out. So when you're using a humidifier, you have to take that bacteria filter out because the filter blocks moisture from going through the tubing. You can check out this other video I made about the filter. Okay, and then put the tube back. Here's the important part. Go into your clinical settings and go scroll all the way down to AB filter and turn the filter from yes to no, because now you're taking away the filter, so the pressure is going to need to adjust. Because if you don't do it, the pressure is going to be extra strong. It's going to be more uncomfortable. The setting is there so it can compensate for that little bit of resistance that the filter creates. So once you remove the filter, make sure to set that setting to no filter. If you don't, then you're going to have that extra pressure blowing into your nose, and it's going to be harder to tolerate. Another thing you need to do is when you're sick, make sure to clean more frequently, daily if you can. Especially if you start to sneeze in your mask, don't reuse it the next night, because now that there's bacteria or viruses in there, then you want to make sure it's clean. Also, because now there's moisture going into your tubing and your mask, there's more chances of mold and bacteria growing. If you have a basin, I would suggest cleaning your supplies in a basin instead of dirty sink due to contamination, because that's kind of gross. You're brushing your teeth in there, and then now you're cleaning your mask in dirty sink. So clean in a wash basin. With that said, there's a link in the description if you want to get one of those. There's a CPAP cleaning kit that I have for you to check out. After you're done, make sure to change the humidifier water daily. Throw out the old water, put new water in there. Use distilled water. You know that. That goes without saying. You just use distilled water. That's it for today's video. I just want to encourage you, if you're sick, like me, keep using that machine. Stay using that machine. Don't give up. If you're first starting off, check out some of my videos. They can help you, encourage you to get used to using this machine. I want you to be successful. All right, especially on the New Year's. Start the New Year's. It's February, the beginning of February. So keep at it. Okay. Stay tuned for the next video.